Welcome to this guided meditation, the healing tree. So please begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your belly to expand, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the ground beneath you. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Visualize roots extending from the base of your spine, deep into the earth. Feel them growing and intertwining with the soil, connecting you to the earth's core. With each breath, imagine drawing up healing energy from the ground through these roots. As you inhale, feel this energy rising, filling your body with warmth and light. With each exhale, release any tension or negativity, letting it flow down into the earth to be transformed. Listen to the gentle rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, or the soft whisper of the wind. Imagine yourself in a serene forest, surrounded by majestic trees. Picture the sunlight filtering through the leaves, casting beautiful patterns on the ground. As you breathe in, visualize the fresh, crisp scent of the forest filling your lungs, invigorating every cell in your body. Now visualize a magnificent tree before you. This tree represents deep healing and renewal. Notice its sturdy trunk, the vibrant green leaves, and the branches reaching towards the sky. As you approach the tree, Feel its ancient wisdom and strength. Place your hands gently on its trunk. Imagine the tree's energy flowing into you, filling you with a sense of peace and tranquility. As you stand there, think of any areas in your life where you seek healing. Physical, emotional, or spiritual. Visualize this healing energy from the tree, surrounding those areas. Soothing any pain or discomfort. With each breath, feel this energy growing stronger, wrapping you in a protective cocoon of love and light. It has witnessed countless seasons and stories, holding the wisdom of nature. Feel connected to this wisdom as you breathe. Envision the tree whispering gentle affirmations to you. You are strong. You are loved. You are healing. Let these affirmations resonate within you, nurturing your spirit. Now imagine the leaves of the tree shimmering with healing light. As they gently fall to the ground, visualize them transforming into healing energy that swirls around you, entering your body and filling you with vitality and renewal. Take a moment to express gratitude to the tree and the earth for their healing gifts. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling refreshed and renewed. You are grounded. You are healed. And you are one with nature.